for the moment, I mean, let's check the draws on liquidity. For the moment, I mean, we have swept the London high, we have swept the Asia high, and we are having the London low and Asia low down here, and then the gap. So if it actually looks like we are kind of now breaking out of the box from yesterday here. So let's check. This could be a short opportunity. Yeah, I think looks not too bad. So let's try a short here. And we are in, and stop loss is on top of the box here. But we created like a nice downward push here. So, and on ES we have the same picture. Still the London low, Asia low, everything is there. So yeah, let's see if we actually want to go down there. I mean, we broke the 236 here, and now I think we want to break out of the box, but it might be a fake out, and that's why I went in with low risk. But this is a strategy which has worked for me a lot of times, so I'm gonna give that a try. Maybe DCA if we get back up here. Yeah, for a retest. Retest of the 236.
Order submitted.
Okay, so far we retested the midline of the box. Okay, maybe my order was a bit too high. And we don't want to actually retest the 236. Yeah, but let's wait and see. I mean, I think this box could be the resistance here for the short continuation, but in the end you never know, right? You can only guess, and we are still waiting for market open in 15 minutes, so a lot can happen. But yeah, there is definitely room to the downside, and significant lows, London low here, and Asia low all the way here. So let's see. Okay, so far we are respecting the midline of this box here, which is nice. Okay, now the DCA is active. Let me think about my stop loss for a second. I will put it slightly above the box, because if this is breaking out of the box, then it's not valid anymore. But so far, if this is a wick and flip, this could be good to go. Now my risk is like $45. It's not. Oh, my chart is somehow lacking. Let me see.
Connection lost.
Okay, now we are back. Trying to establish the orders on, re-establishing apex. Okay, this is looking nice. Now we would have to break out of the box, of course. Let's see if we can do that. This was a nice retest, which gave the DCA. Okay, now I'm a bit afraid what's actually happening with the trade copier here with the connection, so I have to watch that closely. Okay, but so far just a lot of chop here. But I like this wick. I mean, this wick is pretty bearish, and if we now can break out of the box, that would be absolutely amazing. Yeah, seems like we are breaking out. Give me a push below here. Like a really convincing breakout is what we need, because then I can go break even and just let it run if it wants to. Yeah, still this is not convincing with the wick here. Let's see, maybe the next candle can do it. Come on, give us the push here. All right, now we can't break out of the box. Okay, so wicks in both directions. Nothing is really clear here. Of course, this candle is not what I like to see. Now we would have to go down immediately. Yeah, pretty much like this. So another retest of the 236. Okay, and maybe now the breakout. That would be really good. Like now a convincing breakout, as I was hoping for the last time. At some point, I think it needs to break. 10 minutes until market open. Now give us the true breakout here. Yes, this is looking good. And now if we can finally break this, that would be lovely. That would be really good. Like with a candle close somewhere here, maybe going for this low. Still 9 minutes to go. But I will now move my stop a bit lower here to this high, because in this way I'm still very, very comfortable with the risk, which is now around $32 and a huge potential reward. So that's why I'm holding, because there's definitely a lot of room to the downside. But right now still pre-market chop. Okay, but if this can be like a really, this is a way more convincing breakout now, closing here instead of just wicks. Yeah, this is looking much, much better. And once we take this low, I will go break even on this trade. So of course we have an interesting wick here and here, but now we are breaking the low. Nice. And I will go break even. Because this might have been a sweep in order to go up, and then of course I don't want to risk it. But otherwise we would have to retest and continue down if this really is a proper breakout. So one buy limit can be here, and one will be down at the 786. Yeah, if it doesn't take me out, break even. Yeah, nice 3-bar down would be amazing. So far, nice retest of the box. This is also like this is a crazy wick down here. Now ES approaching the 236. Yeah, there's definitely an interesting low here as well. Yeah, but so far, I think trade is looking all right. So we have 4 minutes until New York Open. Have to see now. ES is approaching the 236. Have to see what's happening here. Still hesitating in this area. I don't like that. But maybe New York Open. Let me check the. I will put a buy limit right at this significant low, and I will hope to be able to take a partial there. Let's see. So far, looking good. ES is breaking the 236. Yeah, come on, let's go for the target there. I'm now trailing very, very closely because my daily target is basically met already. But still, I think we should be able to go lower here. You know, we are very close to 9:30, so I will go ahead and I wanted to take profit. It didn't let me. Okay, I'm gonna take profit here in a second. All right.